These little, what's the matter? You miss Mommy and Allie? What's the matter? You think they'll be home soon? I think they went out for a walk. They should be home soon. Yeah. You know. Did they go without you? Yeah. Your tail's wagging. You can't be too sad about it. You missed them? They'll be home soon. I'll open the door so you can look out for them. There you go. Okay, watch out for them.